What is up, guys? It's your girl Monaee back with another video for y'all. As y'all could tell by the title, I am showing you how I got this dark blue color with highlights using the watercoloring method. So if you are interested on seeing how I achieved this color, stay tuned. So all you need is boiling hot water and the hair dyes you will be using. For this color, I am using the Adore 178 Royal Blue and the 112 Indigo Blue. For the closure or frontal, whichever you prefer to do this color with, you need to use the Glitzzy glue-free spray on the lace, so when you dip it into the water, it doesn't get on the lace, and let it sit in for a minute. Okay, so for this part is very self-explanatory. All you're doing is pouring the two dyes into the boiling water and mixing it in. This part is optional. I'm just adding a little conditioner into the mixture. And now you just dip the hair into the water. I did start from the bottom, making my way up to the top. I do suggest you wear gloves because it can stain your nails, but not permanent. And use the tongs because the water is boiling hot. Don't mind me, I never wear gloves, but I always tell y'all to wear gloves. If you don't know what tongs is, this is it. I actually had to Google myself because I had no idea what it was called. So for the second bundle, it did come out lighter than the first one. So right now I'm just adding more of the dyes into the water. I believe this is how I got the highlights in my hair. In total, I dip each bundle into the water about 2 to 3 times. So for the closure, it came out really nice. It came out with highlights on the top where I'll be parting the hair. Right now I'm just sectioning the hair to show you guys where the highlights of the closure is. For one last time, I put all the hair into the water before rinsing it out. When you rinse out the hair, you could use any conditioner you like, it doesn't matter, but I am using a Glitzzy Hair Argan Oil Conditioner. So this is how the color came out fully dry. Some parts look very vibrant, which I love. At first I wasn't going for a vibrant color in between, but when I seen it I was like, oh, okay, I see where this is going. So this is the final look, guys. I was feeling myself a little bit, so don't mind me. I gotten so much compliments with this color, and at first I was doubting it because I was gonna look like a Power Ranger, but it still came out good. I did darken the roots of the closure off camera, that's why it looks darker than the rest of the hair. But if you enjoyed watching this video, show your girl some love and like, comment down below. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.